Hi, my name is Thomas Tang. I'm here at ISE 2019. I want to show you this product that's really cool here. This is KVM over IP. So this keyboard, mouse, and video over IP. Because it has a scaler built in, so you can put any type of input in and have any resolution output. It also, because it's a standard IP protocol, it can work on a standard switch, a 1 gigabit switch. So what we're showing here, it's again a dual head PC. We're moving these back and forth, right? And then just by simply switching, now we're going to switch to a different PC. And this won't go away because it's a single head PC. So I just switched from a PC to a Mac, right through the Ethernet switch. So on this side here, it's a 4K multi-viewer. So on this particular multi-viewer is actually showing all the PCs that are online. So you can have a 4K surface, again, with really cool advanced OSD. You can see all the labeling. And over here, so instead of just a KVM over IP, it's also a wall. So if you look at this wall, you can see how clear the text is, right? This is coming through IP. And so it's not just a video wall, it's also got a matrix in it. So we could easily switch. Now we're going to switch this, see how fast the switching is. See? Now we're switching into a 1-to-1. Now we're going to switch again. To a 3x3 wall. And again. A 2x2 and a bunch of 1-to-1s. If you notice how quickly it's switching, this is through an Ethernet switch. So it's really cool. Okay, to find out more about www.apantac.com.